your ass out. Got a nigga wanting this so bad I'm about to pass out. Wanna dig you, and I can't even lie about it, baby. Just alleviate your clothes, time to fly out. Catch you at a club. Oh shit, you got me feeling, body talking shit to me, but I can't comprehend the meaning. Now if you wanna roll with me, then here's your chance to an 80 on the freeway. Police catch me if you can. Forgive me, I'm a rider, still I'm just a simple man. All I want is money, fuck the fame, I'm a simple man. It's the international, playing with the passport. Just like a ladder, bitch, get you anything you ask for. It's either him or me. Champagne, Hennessy, a favorite of my homies. When we fall on our enemies, witness as we creep to a low speed. Keep with a whole knee, pump some more weed, bump, you don't need. Approaching hoochies with a passion, been a long day, but I've been driven by attraction in a strong way. Your body banging, baby, I love it when you're flown it. Time to give it to daddy, nigga. Now tell me how you want it.
How do you want it? How does it feel? Coming up as a nigga in the cash game. Living in the fast game, living on the road. How do you want it? How do you feel? Coming up as a nigga in the cash game. I'm living in the fast lane, I'm real.
Tell me, is it cool or fuck? Does you think I come to talk in my fool or what? Positions on the floor, it's like erotic. Ironic, cause I'm somewhat psychotic. I'm hitting switches on bitches like I've been fixed with hydraulics. Up and down like a roller coaster. I'm up beside you, I ain't quick until the show's over. Cause I'm a rider, in and out just like a robbery. I'll probably be a freak and let you get on top of me. Get the rockin' knees, nights full of Alizé. A living legend, you ain't heard about these niggas play these Cali days. Use a motherfucker, instead of trying to help a nigga, you destroy your brother. Worse than the others, Bill Clinton, Mr. Bob Dole. You're too old to understand the way the game's so. You're lame, so I gotta hit you with the hot facts. Want some Elisa making millions, niggas top that. They want sense of me, they'd rather see me in the cell. Living in hell, only a few of us are lit to tell. Now everybody talking about us, I could give a fuck. I be the first ones to bomb and cuss. Nigga, tell me how you want it.
How do you want it? Tell me, how does it feel? Coming up as a nigga in the cash game. Living in the fast lane, I'm living in the. How do you want it? How do you feel? Coming up as a nigga in the cash game. I'm living in the fast lane, I'm real.
Raised as a youth, tell the truth, I got the scoop on how to get a bulletproof. Because I jumped from the roof before I was a teenager. Mobile phone, sky pager, game rules, I'm living major. My adversaries is looking rugged. They paranoid and people worried. One of us gon' see the cemetery. My only hope is survive. If I wish to stay alive, getting high, see the demons in my eyes. Before I die, I wanna live my life in ball, make a couple million, and then I'm chillin', fade them all. These taxes got me crossed up and people trying to sue me. Media is in my business and they acting like they know me. But I'ma mash out and peel out. I'm ready quick, that's what the fucking steal out. Yeah, nigga, it's some new shit, so better get up on it. When you see me, tell a nigga how you want it. How do you want it?
How do you want it? How does it feel? Coming up as a nigga in the cash game. Living in the fast lane, I'm real. How do you want it? How do you feel? Coming up as a nigga in the cash game. Living in the fast lane, I'm real. How do you want it?
Luciano's got the goggles on this time around. Maybe he sensed that Mikey Neal was going to be too fast for him as he runs over the top of the board. Oh, we've got to kick this
Bravo, boy!
back here. As he tried to get a little bit on the infield.
How does it feel? Coming up as a nigga in the cash game. Living in the fast lane, I'm real.
Luciano! Scores it! Mikey Neal is not going to go through. Luciano takes the front wheel. And it's going to be a victory for Brazil in South Africa. Mikey Nielsen, what are you thinking? And it's going to be a victory for Brazil in South Africa. And it's going to be celebrating. Mikey Nielsen, what were you thinking? There he goes down. But the checkered flag goes down. But the checkered flag getting ready here. The checkered flag. And it's going to be a win for Luciano. There he goes down. But the checkered flag getting ready here. The checkered flag. And it's going to be a win for Luciano.
Yeah.